This is where I want each one of you to listen to me very, very carefully. How do you compete in a bleeding market? How do you compete when the demand is less? That is when you should concentrate on quality. That is when you should concentrate on the quality, because there is absolutely no control for you as an entrepreneur on anything else other than your product. The market could bleed, the demand could go high, the demand could come down. But as an entrepreneur, as head of the company, if you want to stay in business, you only have control over your quality of the product and nothing else. As an entrepreneur, that's what I believe in. I believe in the fact that my clients would come to me, my clients may not come to me. My customers, my students, they come to me, they may not come to me. But the only control that I have, 100% control that I have is only over the quality. So if I'm an entrepreneur, I'm running a training company. So the best thing that I can do in a bleeding market is the fact that I can concentrate on providing the best quality training, perhaps that is available in the market, and then probably expect people to come. So quality is what you have your control over, and quality is what you should focus upon. Quality is what you should try to build upon. Do you agree with me on that, everyone? Do you agree with me when I say that you only have control over the quality? Correct. A lot of people who agrees, right? Absolutely. So we cannot go and tell TCS to hire more number of people. We cannot go and tell Infosys to hire more number of people. But if they decide to hire at some point of time, then probably we could tell them that I am the best resource that you can find in the market right now. And I want you to build your profile in the next 3 months to that level where Infosys and TCS or a Cognizant will put their money on you and say that we would love to have this quality candidate. And how do you build that quality? Anyone? As an engineering student, if you want to build that quality in the market, how do you do that? Anyone? How do you build the quality? Anyone? How do you build the quality? Come on. I would like to see some answers. How do you build that quality? That's my next question. How do you build the quality? How do you build the quality? First of all, yeah, latest skill. Yeah, of course. So latest skills, correct. So that means you understand what the market demands, right? You understand what the customers need. You understand what the company requires, and then you make your product accordingly. Yes or no? Correct. Do you agree with me over there that you understand what the customer wants and you produce a product accordingly? Because you make a product where there is nobody to buy, you cannot help it, right? So, first of all, I want each one of you who is part of this training program to understand that 90% of the company who comes to Kerala for recruitment is in the IT sector. And it is not just about Kerala. Even I put Pan India, some of the best institutes in the country, you will understand that barring your IITs and maybe few of those top NITs, rest of the colleges, the regional colleges, and including most of the NITs, 90% of the placement happens in the IT industry, regardless of the stream that you come from. You could be from civil, triple E, EC, mechanical, production, industrial, computer science. You could be from any industry, but when you talk about campus placement, you need to understand that the demand is for IT software professionals. That has been the case almost for the last 20-25 years now. So if you're still stuck with the idea that I'm going to only work with my core sector in this bleeding market, when the campus placement opportunity for a core engineer is quite limited, I believe that will be a wrong business strategy for each one of you. So understand what the market wants. The market demands software professionals right now. There is a lot of requirement for software professional. Even otherwise, even when there is, even then, even during a normal scenario, it was pretty much the same. But right now, the manufacturing sector, the automobile sector, aviation sector, hospitality sector, everything has gone down because of COVID-19. And your only hope as of now is these software service sector companies who will probably open their placements by October end, and you need to be prepared for those placements in the next 2 months. So this is what the market needs at this point of time. So you will have to prepare for that. If you don't prepare, probably you will be making the biggest mistake of your life. Because next year, this time, when you're out of the campus, to get an opportunity for a job, forget about core IT, but just an opportunity to get a job, That itself will be very, very difficult for all you people. Where would you go for an interview? Whom will you ask for an opportunity? All those students who didn't get placed in 2020, I don't know what these people are going to do in the next 1 year. So at least with you people, you have an opportunity at this point of time. So get your expectation right in terms of what the customer wants. So that is the first stage of building quality.